Hello everybody and welcome back. It's 24 hours. Still got my tire full of air. Gonna do a cold start, see if the battery's still working on my battery repair. Okay, here we go. One thing I wanted to point out about fixing or replacing the battery. If you look at this negative post, that would probably make your life a little easier, removing the negative post when you're removing the old battery and replacing a new battery. So second thing I noticed, it seemed like I almost gained horsepower replacing the old battery and putting in a new battery, so that surprised me. Yeah, that's it. That's just an update on two of the repairs on the Ford Escape, and hopefully we'll be moving on to the 1995 Volkswagen Jetta. So did a couple repairs on that. Okay, and yeah, just trying to shoot a video every day. So if you like the content, subscribe. If you like the video, hit that like button. Like I say, questions, comments, concerns, put them in the comment section below. Alright everybody, catch you on the next one. What is today, January 5th? Where's my other phone? I don't know what my other phone is. I got it right here. Yep. Hope you guys can see it. January 5th. Alright everybody, catch y'all in the next one. Happy New Year, by the way.